Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel again. And right now I am really excited. Today is my birthday, and I actually make a vlog for you, my birthday haul and my birthday present which I got and on my birthday. And right now I will make my birthday like videos. I will show you like what I do on my birthday, what I will do on my birthday. And I'm really excited to show you. Like, I'm really excited. It's my 23rd birthday, and I'm really excited, and it's really cool actually. And sorry for the AC, it's making really lots of noises, so I have to stop it. So like, I will tell you what I did on my birthday, and so let's start. So at night, actually around like 11ish or like something, I started filling like balloons by myself. By like, I do by myself actually at the evening. Actually, I go with my friend and buy like the packet of the happy birthday, the packet of balloons, which is like you have it like, which we have it like the happy birthday is written, and you have to like fill in the blow it, and it's become the like letters and all. So I blow by myself. Everyone's like, why you blowing by myself? And I was like, who is like with me, or who will come and blow the happy birthday? My parents can, but I did by myself. And like my before birthday also, I do all by myself. The cake I did by myself, my like I surprised myself actually. So at night at 11ish, I'd fill the like air on the balloons, and it was really sweet actually. I was really happy. I was like when I see the balloons like around my like bed, and every like they were looking, it's really amazing. Then actually I put them actually on the wall also, and it was looking very amazing. I can see it right now also, it's looking very pretty. The tea is like up and down because it's going like, it's not having good time actually. So it's, that's why it's like up and down and things going on. And then then like my parents actually come at 12 o'clock and wish me a happy birthday. And my mom actually gives me a dress which I wear on my birthday. Today actually I wear it on my birthday. And I wore it. It was really sweet. It was really cute dress actually. I was looking very cute. I was not looking like I'm a 23-year-old girl. I'm like the like looking like a cute baby, beautiful girl. I was just, well, I can do like, I can say I'm beautiful because uh, everyone say, but you have to be your favorite. So I'm my favorite, so is that's why. And I really love it when I get ready and all. It's looking very amazing. Then I actually make a video also actually, which I I was like, I want to show you like what I'm doing, how I'm doing. So I make a video, and so let's see the video. And I hope you like it. And please don't go on my like clothes which because I was wearing not night suit, but kind of night suit. So please see it. And so let's see. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today is my birthday. I'm really excited. As you can see, I have like a happy birthday thing going on. Actually I did myself actually. No one did this because no one is uh, have to do this, and it's my birthday. So it's really funny that I have done this by myself, and it's my birthday, and I did this actually. And I really happy to actually I have done this. It's looking very pretty actually. It's a lot prettier, like amazing. It's looking very amazing. And I can show you like my whole what I'm wearing, because I'm wearing like a shorts and spaghetti, which feel I'm really looking very like healthy, lot healthier, so I will not show you, but I've done this and it's looking really amazing, and I really loving it, and my friends are wishing me, and I'm really amazing, and I can't wait for yesterday. And actually, and I have done like my nails also, my birthday nails. If you see it, it's looking very pretty, it's looking very amazing. I go today actually and done this nails art for 4 hours actually, and it's looking very amazing. I just love this uh, nails, and I can't wait to like show to everyone. And actually I done this nails because it's like a rainbow things, and actually I have matched my nails with my cake. And if you want to see my cake, so just be in this video. And I really loving it, and I just really loving it, and I'm doing like every time I'm just doing like this and like this. It's everything actually, I'm really loving it a lot, and my friends also loves a lot actually, and it's really amazing. So see you in the morning, and I really love you so much guys, and thank you so much. Mwah. And like it was really amazing that I was like, it was my first vlog actually which I was doing, and like doing the vlogs thing, because it's my first thing. Then actually, and the next video actually I made, that I was like going on my laptop actually, and I saw like BTS, they were coming out from their company and going home, and doing some interview actually, which we don't know actually, but in future we will know. They were doing something for Dynamite actually, I think interview or something. So they were coming out from the company and going on the cars, and I saw all of them actually, Jimin, V, RM, JK, like Jin, Suga and J-Hope, everyone. It was really amazing to see all of them actually before my birthday. It's become more special to see them. Then I make this like this video, that like how I'm feeling like after saw them, so I make that video also. So let's see that also. It's my birthday, and I'm really excited actually. And actually before like 12 o'clock actually I see BTS when they are like the videos when they are actually going home, like going out of their company and just going on the car. I see all of them, Jimin. I just really love that I see them actually before my birthday. So I really love it, and I really love it, and my birthday will go really awesome because I saw them. It's really amazing. And please don't see this, it's really bad. I just really hate it, but I really love it. I just really love them that I see them on my birthday. And thank you so much guys. Yes, and then actually my friends wish me like happy birthday. All of them wish me like happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. It was really amazing. Like I feel like princess actually, like everyone's giving importance to me, and I really love my birthday actually. It's really cool, but I don't love that my age is going really fast, and I don't want to feel that. But I was feeling the pressure of the age of 23, but I don't want to. Then when as you know, I have like my like a lock screen of Jimin actually, so I click a photo of that actually, like 8 September, and pic of him. If you can see it actually, if you can see it, if you can see it, I will show you once again. This you can see it's 8 September Tuesday 1:18, and photo of him. It was really amazing. I really love him. And then everyone wish me, and then at the morning actually I wear the dress which my mom's gave me at night at o'clock, and it was looking very sweet. And then actually I go like after that actually when I wear it, I go like downstairs to meet my grandfathers, my family, and they give me lots of gifts, as they give me money actually, which I really feel amazing because they give me money. I can buy now few gifts more of me and present to me also. And then actually I go with my parent, my father actually, to buy my gift actually, which I tell you in my previous video also. My parents give me an iPhone 11, like the purplish color. I really love it. I purple you. Then I buy it. Actually it was really cute. And then actually I saw my like room also. It was looking very amazing, the happy birthday thing. And my bed sheet also really good. My aunt actually gifts me, my mom's friend actually gifts me, and on the bed sheet it's my names also written here. It's really cool to see that. And then at the evening, my father's sister come actually, and the families come. And then before that actually I brought the cake. Me and my father go and bring the cake also. The cake was looking very amazing. It was all the rainbow thing, as I tell you that I do the like the cake because of I really love BTS. So rainbow, actually I connect the rainbow with the BTS. And my nails also, which I show you, like it's like the BTS, like the rainbow thing. So that's why I do it, and it was really amazing. I will show you the photo of cake and the nails, you can see it. And then I bring that, and then my father's sisters come and families come, and my brother or like my uncle and come, and we have lots of fun. I cut the cake, and it was really amazing. And before that actually my brother click few pictures of me and the cake, and it was really looking very amazing. I was looking amazing actually, and the pics also were very amazing. I really love it. And then I cut the cake also, and I have the video also, so see the video.
ये दो मंजिल मोटो।
After that actually my mom actually cooked really delicious, like Indian and like the Indian and like the what's it, like modern food actually, which my grandfather said the modern food actually. And she actually makes like she make pasta, fried rice, Manchurian, chow and chili paneer and nachos and pizza also. It was really yummy, and everyone really love it. And my stomach got really full, and I thought that my stomach will just come out and like do like a gun, like boom bam boom, like something, because it was I got really stomach full, and it was really yummy, and I really love it. And before also she makes really tasty food. I really love it. I will show the video also and the photo also what she actually, this is the photo and the video what she makes. So let's see the video also. It's yummy. I know if you see the food you really want to eat it. It was yum, like yum.
वहाँ पे आपको आपकी जैसे बहुत मिलेगी।
इसे देखो चिल्लर सी को कैसे हंस रही है।
ये चिल्लर एक पे तो धक्का गाना जी यही से डाल कर दे देंगे ना।
नाचो है नाचो
डाल के देंगे। अच्छा चलो आप डालेंगे जो जिसको जो चाहिएगा वही लेगा ना।
After that actually I click a pic of my like my nails and cake actually and because I really do the nails because of the cake, and the cake I do because of my nails, and it was really amazing. You can see, I will show you here also and it was really amazing. Actually I really love it. And then actually I make videos also with my new phone, which I really love, and I click all of the like give cakes, all of them, like cut the cakes and feed all of my family, and click the photos also. I click the photos with my cousins also. If you see, it's really amazing. And if you see my brother, like this, my brother, he actually his birthday is today. His birthday is tomorrow actually, and it was really means like if I when I will upload it, it was his birthday, and I really amazing. And sorry for the voices, it's some like something working on my house, so it's really sorry. And I feel really amazing, and I really love it. I cut the cake and the yummy food, and I got the phone also. It was really amazing, and I really love all my, like it was the best birthday ever. I really love it. All my friends wish me like amazing. I really love it. I really love it. And I will say to my brother, happy birthday, bye. And my bro, I really love you, and I hope you give me give us like a lot of bigger party. And it's really fun to see my brother. He's a super handsome baby brother, and I really love it, and love my birthday a lot. And I just can't like I really love like the happy birthdays also here. I really love it. My gift also, I'm really loving it. It's really cool actually. All the gifts, all the everything, it's really cool, and really amazing. And so thank you so much guys for watching my birthday videos and my birthday story. And I really thank so all the army, and please subscribe to my channel, and please follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And I really love you. I purple you. We all purple. Peace out. Annyeong. Thank you. Annyeong. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Banyang. Annyeong. Banyang. Annyeong. Barahe. 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 Barahe.